Hi, I'm John at Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Valco Snap Ultra Trend. Now let's have a look at how to fold this stroller in a rearward position, as in the child facing the parent. So the first thing you need to do is just put the canopy down. The recline needs to be in an upright position. Now just be mindful that when you're folding it, this clip here, which is attached to the seat, may lock into the frame. So you might have to just separate the seat onto the frame. If it doesn't get locked in, it's easier, but it may get locked in, okay? So the next thing you need to do is have it in a, the handlebar needs to be in a straight position to the rest of the frame. There is a button underneath here and here. So I'm just going to push the buttons together, this one, and it will flick forward. And notice the seat actually folds like that. I'm going to put this down, and it stands in an upright position. The seat is still not attached to the frame, but if you want, you just whack it, and now it's attached. It stands upright. Now to open it, the latch to unclip it is actually on here, on this side. And so I'm just going to separate it. Separate this, oops, and that brings that up, and the frame comes up. Now the seat is attached to it here, so all I have to do is just lift it to separate it, and that's it. The seat is in an open position. Now let's look at it in a forward position. So I'm just going to take the seat out. Now we're going to put it in a forward position, and that's it. It's in a forward position. So let's assume we have it like that. Again, let's fold it. So press the button here and here. So I can do it with one hand. Like this, it goes forward. This time the seat flicks backwards, so oops, like that, and the seat doesn't go in, you click it and it locks in. And that's it, it's in a folded position. Grab that, put it in your car, and you're done. So let's open it again. Remember, the lock for the frame is on this side. I just unclip it. This time you separate it hard enough. The seat is detached, and that's it. And done. And that's it. That's how you open and close the Valco Snap Ultra Trend, which is now available at Banana Baby.